Hi guys, it's gonna be a hot one today because today we have the hot and spicy Firewalks Volcanic Mongolian beef flavor, and it is 2, 4, 6 hot peppers. Oh yeah. So let's see what this entails. Sorry, Mom. There's a lot in here. Okay, so let's see. What we have comes with a fire sauce packet. Comes with your seasoning salts. And it comes with your vegetables and your noodles. So let's go get our water ready, and then we shall make this. Hold on one second. So what it says is take out seasoning and vegetable pouches, then empty both pouches onto noodles. Set aside fire sauce packet. Add room temperature water to fill line. Nuke for 5 minutes. Let stand for 1. Empty fire sauce packet into noodles. Stir and enjoy. I'm nervous. Hold on. Alright, so vegetable packet. Ugh. I'm gonna taste the seasoning. That's spicy. And I just did it just like a little tongue dip. What have I gotten myself into? But you know what? When we start, we'll be finished. And then we're going to set aside the fire packet. Yeah, I'll taste that too. I regret this. Okay, watered. To the fill line. And then renuke it for 5 minutes. Goodbye, cruel world. Okay, so while that's cooking, let's try a little bit of the fire sauce packet. Just a little. Just a taste. Just gonna go. I'm gonna just put that right back like this. I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3. That's hot. That is really, really hot. I regret this so bad. I'm starting to hypersalivate. It's like as my hypersalivation happens, it's like slides the hotness forward and back, and it's like dancing on my tongue. I don't like it. I'm nervous. And I'm starting to sweat already. Wish me luck. But the part that's really sort of more scary about the fire sauce packet, it's oily spice. Not like actually like everything rolled into one. You know, like your Diablo sauce from Taco Bell or something like that. It's literally oil and this spice. I'm scared. And maybe if I learn to, like, when I like spoon my noodles and I stick it harder in my mouth, it won't nearly be as hot. But I'm getting really nervous. Okay. So as you can see, the noodles are all cooked. So let's see. Without the sauce so far. This is just fresh out the microwave. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. So fresh out of the microwave with just the seasoning in it, that's not bad. Nice knowing you. Okay. Like legit, it doesn't taste like anything except just spice. But here's where it's gonna get spicier. So with the sauce in full effect, you can see it on there for one, so it doesn't hide. It just smells like spiciness. Yeah, just like really spicy. That's very spicy. Okay. I already got that natural glow. So I bit off a little bit more than I can chew. I'll admit it. It's kind of scary. But it's not bad. I do like the I do like the flavor. It's just really, really spicy. It even has more stuff in it. Like that. Hold on. That was a chili. No. This is a no. This is scary. This is scary, but I'm scared. Happy eating. If you try it. And good luck. You're gonna need it.